Have a pleasant day to my future employer. My name is Jaisa Toralba, 33 years of age, from Lakewood, Zamboanga del Sur, Philippines. I have one child. I am an undergraduate in college taking Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education. I have an experience working abroad in Saudi Arabia for 3 years as a domestic helper and a nanny. My main duties are taking care of the children, 7 years old and 5 years old, preparing food for them, taking them to school, and pick them up after class. As a nanny, my responsibilities are make them clean and neat, teaching them the proper hygiene, helping them to their assignments, teaching them how to speak English well, and playing with them if they want to play. I do also household chores like cleaning, washing clothes, and ironing. Ma'am and sir, if you hire me, I will do my duties and responsibilities well. Thank you and God bless.